Hello guys, good morning. So, mag-isa lang tayo ngayon. Mag-isa lang tayo today. So, nandito pala tayo sa SM Lasyon. So, mag-sit up tayo ng opening store. So, yung brand pala natin i-open ay sa Tecno phone. So, ito lang yung dala natin ngayon. Ito guys, yung dalawang Sanslogic na 15 inches. So, yung lights nandito. Dalawang turquoise yan, dalawang stand, at siyempre yung mic at iba pa, yung mga wire. Bali naghihintay pala ako sa permit nila sa Tecno. Kasi for now, ibaba ko muna papunta doon para sa pinagpasok natin is okay na. Buti na lang guys, merong pushcart yung Tecno. So nakahiram tayo. Kasya dalawang speaker. So ayan guys, nandito na po tayo sa Tecno. So ito yung decoration nila. So dito tayo magsisit up ng powered speaker at mga uplights. Ayan, tara, simulan na tayo guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Mr. I don't give a damn if you're a mister. If you fuck shit up, then I'ma diss your sister. If you fuck up, I'll get in the list, just get so. Little bit extreme with the theme, I never intended to be mean, but I mean potential. But your motherfuckers been to offer and just other when I had the jaw strapped like you mister. Just finish your set, there's a bodies in a dudes. I let them choose, but I will never let them use me. See, I was over the rumors, but I'd rather pick a news. But just the truth, legit a truth, fake amuse me. How did I get here? Was it through sweat tears? A bit too weird, is it past 10 years? Couple days passing by and you spent a lot of them. Thankfully all the guys obeyed me 9 out of 10. Who was a rage up the map, then the page up the death, on the stage that they had to been there back to back when the game was relaxed. Then it came in its facts that are draining perhaps entertaining with jabs. So now I have to maintain this thing on the fragile. My frame is it is not that I got famous, it's just the game for the slander. But whatever, for them I'm clever and I got better. And of all the shepherds, I am better. I met some lads and folks, some which I have it spoke. Better this bag and nope, no, but I'm glad it won't. Cause he a bad folk, a blood and pride and dope. His fucking rap's a joke, I'm a laugh and nope. I was pissed, the urge to put the diss in dirt with the explicit words. Shit, no shit that hurt. How could you be the worst? And if you even hurt, then it's the shit reverse. Could you at least rehearse? I'm the man now.
Ito yung gamit nating setup today. Meron tayong laptop, mixer, at wireless microphone. So lagyan ko ng stand ng, actually sa laptop ko to na stand, so para magkasya siya dito sa area natin, nilagay ko ng microphone natin at stand sa ating laptop. So, yung mixer pala natin is 8 channel, so ang brand pala nito is Tosonra. Ayan, Tosonra lang po yung dala natin guys. Tapos siyempre yung mic natin, Kevlar. Tapos yan, laptops. Yan, ito lang yung area natin. So yung dala nating speaker, ito pa rin, yung Sanslogic 15 inches. So naglagay ako ng dalawang white amber dito guys. Magkabilaan po yan, para sa ating flowers. Huwag kalimutan maglagay ng black coat. Maglagay din ako ng uplights dito sa may balloon. Ayan. Meron din doon sa may sa ceiling. Ayan.
Our Tecno Concept Store here in SM City's Consolacion in 3, 2,